If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming, a robot vacuum might just be your new best friend. The best robot vacuums offer convenience, efficiency, and smart features to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. In this video, we'll explore the top picks that combine power, performance, and user-friendly technology. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your home. ECOVACS T9 Plus. The ECOVACS T9 Plus is the ultimate cleaning companion for anyone looking for a powerful, hands-free solution to floor care. With its 3,000 Pascal suction power, it effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, and debris across various floor types. What sets it apart is its dual functionality. This robot vacuum also mops your floors with its oscillating mopping system, ensuring your home is spotless from top to bottom. Equipped with advanced True Mapping and True Detect 3D technologies, the T9 Plus offers precise navigation, efficiently mapping your home while avoiding obstacles in real time. It even automatically adjusts to avoid carpets while mopping and boosts suction when vacuuming them. No area is left behind. The auto-empty station holds up to 2 months' worth of debris, making maintenance a breeze, and the built-in air freshener ensures your home always smells fresh. The Dbot T9 Plus is not just about performance, it's about convenience too. With customizable cleaning modes, multi-floor mapping, and app control, you can tailor its cleaning schedule to fit your lifestyle. If you're seeking a reliable, high-performing robot vacuum that goes the extra mile in both cleaning and convenience, the ECOVACS Dbot T9 Plus is an excellent choice. NARWAL FREO X. The NARWAL FREO X Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop combo combines powerful suction and advanced features to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. With an impressive 8,200 Pascal suction power, it easily tackles dirt, dust, and debris on both hard floors and low-pile carpets. The zero-tangling brush ensures hair and pet fur are effectively captured without any frustrating tangle. What truly sets the FREO X Ultra apart is its mopping performance. Equipped with patented rouleau mop heads that spin at 180 RPM, it scrubs away stubborn stains, while the AI Dirt Sense technology adjusts the mopping intensity to ensure floors are spotless. The self-emptying base station is a game changer, handling all the maintenance work, including washing and drying the mops, so you can enjoy hands-free cleaning for weeks. Its tri-laser obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation, while the edge swing technology allows for a thorough clean along walls and edges. The FREO X Ultra also features a self-contained dust processing system that compresses dirt into a disposable bag, minimizing manual intervention. For households with pets or children, the NARWAL FREO X Ultra offers convenience and superior cleaning, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, low-maintenance robot vacuum and mop combo. ILIFE 5 3S Pro. The ILIFE Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and affordable robot vacuum that excels in pet hair care. Featuring tangle-free suction technology, the V3S Pro effectively picks up hair, dirt, crumbs, and debris without getting clogged. This feature is particularly valuable for pet owners, ensuring hassle-free cleaning on hardwood, tile, laminate, and low-pile carpets. One of its standout features is its slim design, which allows it to fit under beds and sofas, reaching areas that are often missed by larger models. The automatic cleaning and self-charging functions make the V3S Pro incredibly convenient, as it can run on a preset schedule and return to its docking station when the battery runs low. Additionally, the vacuum is equipped with anti-bump and anti-fall sensors, ensuring it avoids obstacles and dangerous drop-offs. With a runtime of 90 to 100 minutes on a full charge, the V3S Pro is ideal for daily cleaning routines. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, the V3S Pro offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price, making it an excellent option for those seeking efficient cleaning without breaking the bank. Shark Matrix Plus. The Shark Matrix Plus robot vacuum and mop delivers an exceptional cleaning performance, combining powerful suction with sonic mopping technology to effectively tackle both carpets and hard floors. With its Matrix Clean feature, it covers the entire floor in a precise grid, ensuring no spots are missed while offering 30% better carpet cleaning compared to other models. The Clean Edge technology enhances edge and corner cleaning by directing debris into the vacuum path, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas. A standout feature is its self-emptying base, which holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, allowing for hands-free operation. This robot vacuum also features HEPA filtration, trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets. The app control and voice command functions provide added convenience, allowing users to customize cleaning schedules and monitor performance remotely. While the Shark Matrix Plus excels in suction power and convenience, the sonic mopping function works best for light to moderate cleaning, struggling with tougher stains. Overall, this robot vacuum and mop is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning solution, particularly suited for pet owners and those seeking minimal maintenance. iRobot ROOMBA J7 Plus. The iRobot ROOMBA J7 Plus is a standout robotic vacuum that combines impressive performance with intelligent navigation, making it an excellent choice for those seeking convenience and reliability in home cleaning. With its precision vision navigation, the J7 Plus effectively identifies and avoids common obstacles such as pet waste, socks, and cords, ensuring a thorough clean without interruptions. This feature sets it apart from other models, offering peace of mind to pet owners and families alike. Equipped with a 3-stage cleaning system, the J7 Plus boasts powerful suction that lifts dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The robot's dual multi-surface rubber brushes adjust to different floor types, ensuring optimal performance across various surfaces. For added convenience, the Roomba J7 Plus features self-emptying capabilities through its clean base, which automatically empties the dustbin into an enclosed bag that can hold up to 60 days of debris. Thanks to its smart mapping and voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, the J7 Plus allows users to schedule cleanings and control the vacuum effortlessly. While the performance is exceptional, some users have reported occasional navigation issues. However, with its advanced features and user-friendly design, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus offers great value and convenience for modern homes.